corner faster get fast series. We're in the Porsche Cayman GT4 car at Road Atlanta, and this is lap 3 of 50 laps using the iRacing simulator to get up to speed. In this video, lap 3, we take a look at the Support Paddock pit road entry, which goes through the alternate turn 12 and then the exit, the pit out back onto the track at turn 1. So before we head out on track, we'll again take a look at the Google Maps satellite imagery coming up over the hill and under the bridge for turn 11. We're going to stay left on the outside of turn 12, go past the alternate turn 12 and all the way to the tire wall. Take a right, head down the pit lane, stay away from any potential work being done on cars, crews, equipment, etc. by staying to the right side. And then we're going to come back out on track on the far side of this strip of pavement and then rejoin on the outside of the track just as the apex curb starts on the inside of the track. So let's take a look at the chase view. iRacing. As we veer left outside of turn 12. Be careful not to go flying into the wall with a lot of momentum. Unlike the main pit road, which is a bit of a chicane to slow you down. And then we'll just take a cruise right down pit lane. And as we head back out on track, you can see this is actually a good brake marker for turn 1, and then a good turn-in marker at the end of the pit wall and this little strip of pavement in between the pit wall and when the grass picks back up again. So we exit the track on the outside of turn 1. We just want to make sure to run through that at least once before heading to the track in real life in case that happens to be paddock and pit entry mix that we're using for that particular event. So that's lap 3. Stick around for laps 4 and beyond, where we start to looking around the track for purpose and actually building up some speed.